Good morning, class. I'm Mr. Flores. All right, and today, all right, what do you think we're gonna do? We've been talking about it all week. Yes, all right, we're gonna count to 20 and back. All right, who thinks they can count? To what number? All right. Well, today we're gonna count to a bigger number. Okay, 20. All right. So after today, you should be able to count to the number 20 and back. Okay. So we're gonna use objects to count to 20 and without objects. Okay, so that means we're gonna use things, all right, to count to the number 20, and then we're gonna get rid of them, and then we're gonna have to remember how to use them, how to count to 20 without using objects. Okay, so today, again, what should we be able to know after today? Yes, okay, count to 20 using objects and without objects. All right, so all right, who thinks or who knows what a number is? All right, really easy, guys. Yes, okay. So a number can be 1, 2, 3, okay? Easy numbers just like that. Those are numbers, okay? So, and who thinks or who has ever counted any numbers at all? Yes, okay. Usually we go in order, okay? We go in order after 1, 2, and we keep going up, all right? Or, right, we can go down, all right? Just like we can use your age as an example. Most of you, most of you are how old? Yes, right, 5. Some of you are 6, right? But before you were what, 4, and then 3, and you kept going down, right, till you were a baby. All right, so what we're gonna do today, all right, you guys have been seeing them all week. We're gonna use these cubes, okay, to count to 20. All right, so follow along with me. Here on the board, I have a number line. All right, can you see the numbers? All right, they're going up to what number? It's a big number, right? The one we're trying to get to today, 20. So I'm gonna put the first number. What number is that? 1. All right, so I'm gonna put 1 cube there. And then what's the next number? 2. Good, okay, let's keep going. 3. All right, and what do you think the next number is? Okay, so we're gonna go all that, but not yet. All right, we're gonna be doing that as a group in class right now. I'm gonna pass out the cubes. And we're gonna go all the way up to 20, okay, as a class. All right, so let's just try to go down, okay? So we went up to 5 right now. We went up to 5. All right, but let's see if I take 1 out. How many is that? 4. Great. Okay, now count the cubes. 3. Good. Okay, the number keeps getting smaller. Okay, what's the next number? 2. I'm taking the last one out, and there's 1 left, right? So 1. Okay, we need to use these cubes to help us count, guys. Okay, so you have cubes in your hand. All right, let's count or work with your partners. All right, I'm gonna be walking around, and I want you guys to use the cubes and count them as you go. Okay, watch the numbers here on the board so it can help you out and see what number's next. All right, awesome job, guys. Awesome job. I was walking around. You guys did really good. You guys are learning your numbers, learning how to count. I even heard some of you counting back all the way from 15. Okay, so that's really good. You're starting to get a hang of it. Good job, guys. Now, I know you guys are enjoying them, but let's take the cubes away. Okay, put them away. I don't want to see them. We're gonna use our fingers now. Okay, it's the same thing. All right, let's pretend our fingers are cubes. You don't have an object, but you always have your fingers with you to help you count, okay? So, same thing with the number on the board. Okay, there's 1 finger, good job. Now there's 2, and then there's 3, and then there's 4. What's the next number? 5. Okay, good job. Is everyone still with me? Does anyone have any questions? All right, so let's keep going. What's the next number? 6, 7. Okay, 8. Oh, trick question, okay. What do you think is the number before that? 6. Okay, good. We're going back. What about the number backwards? 5. Okay, and then let's keep getting smaller. How many fingers do we have? Let's take one more finger away. Okay, that's 3. Good job. Okay, so it's the same thing as the cubes, guys. Same thing as the cubes. I want you, when you count, to keep adding your fingers up. I know we only have 10 fingers, okay, but once you get to 10, you can keep counting. And then again, 11, 12, 13. Okay, or if you're gonna count backwards, I want to see your guys' fingers going away. Okay? Okay, so I'm gonna walk around to make sure I hear you guys counting, and I wanna see your fingers up. And I wanna hear the numbers. I wanna hear the numbers that are on the board. Alright, keep looking at the board to help you out. Alright, good job, boys and girls. Okay, so today, as you know, what did we do? Yes, we counted with the cubes, and what else? We counted with our fingers, okay? To what number? 20. So we counted to 20. And we counted up to 20, and then what? We counted forward, and then we counted backwards. We went back, right? We went back. We kept getting the number smaller. So after today, you should learn how to count to what number? 20 using what? What did we use? The cubes. Alright, objects, that's an object. And then we got rid of the objects, and what did we use? Our fingers, right? Without objects. So today you should have learned how to count to 20 forward and backwards, right? Using objects and without objects. So right now I'm gonna pass around a sheet of paper, and I want you guys to work again as groups, okay, just for a little bit until the class ends. And there's cubes on the paper, and I want you guys to count the cubes, and I want you to write down how many cubes you see. Okay, so if there's 3 cubes on the paper, I want you to write down the number 3. Okay, if you don't finish, I want you guys to take it home for homework, and make sure to bring it tomorrow, okay, because I want to see what you guys learn. We're gonna grade them tomorrow first thing, and I want to see that you guys were paying attention and you guys were following along with today. Okay, does anybody have any questions? No? Okay, awesome job, guys. Okay, you guys did really good, and we're gonna keep working on this to make sure that you guys know all the numbers in between. Okay, good job. Thank you.